everyone, this is Sunny from Bota Welding and Cutting Equipment Company. We are manufacturing welding, column and boom manipulators, welding turning rods, welding positioners. So if you are interested in our products, please contact me in the below contact information. Now I would like to introduce our welding positioner for you. This is our welding positioners. We can produce 100 kilograms up to 100 tons. So it depends on your workpiece weight and the shape, the size, the technical details. Our welding positioner widely used in the boiler and pressure vessel cups, and they usually work together with the welding column and boom. So if you have any interesting, please